How to stream Yellowstone for free.
Welcome to our quick guide on how to access the free streaming service for Yellowstone. In this video, we'll provide simple, step-by-step instructions on how you can enjoy watching this popular series without spending a dime.
What is Yellowstone?
First off, let's quickly talk about Yellowstone. It's an American drama television series created by Taylor Sheridan and John Linson that premiered on June 20, 2018 on the Paramount Network. The series follows the conflicts along the shared borders of a large cattle ranch, an Indian reservation, and land developers.
Where can I find Yellowstone?
Yellowstone primarily streams on the Paramount Network, but is also available on various streaming platforms. However, keep in mind that as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, none of these platforms offers Yellowstone for free. They all require a paid subscription or the purchase of individual episodes or seasons.
Is there any way to watch Yellowstone for free?
While Yellowstone is not traditionally available for free, there are ways to catch episodes without breaking the bank. 1. Free trials. Some platforms like Amazon Prime Video offer free trials, usually for a period of 30 days. You can sign up for these, stream Yellowstone, and cancel before the trial ends to avoid charges. 2. Promotional offers. Keep an eye out for promotional offers from streaming platforms. Sometimes they allow free access to certain shows for a limited period. 3. Public libraries. Check your local library. Many public libraries in the U.S. offer free access to streaming services like Hoopla or Canopy, which might carry the show. Remember to always watch content legally to support the creators and producers of the shows you love. While it's challenging to find a completely free streaming service for Yellowstone, there are clever ways to watch the show without paying. Whether it's leveraging free trials, taking advantage of promotional offers, or even checking out resources from your local library, there are several methods to explore. Happy streaming, and we hope you enjoy watching Yellowstone.